Hi everyone. If your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or 17 Pro Max won't turn on, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple and effective fixes you can try. Step 1. Check the charger and cable. Make sure you are using an Apple-certified charger and cable. Plug your iPhone into a wall outlet and let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Step 2. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This may take up to 20 seconds. Step 3. Try a different charger or power source. If your iPhone still doesn't turn on, test with another cable or power adapter. You can also try a different wall outlet or even a power bank. This is especially helpful for the iPhone 17 Pro Max since it needs more power. And that's it. These 3 quick methods usually bring your iPhone back to life. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.